In this video we'll be trying to explain the different methods of payment that you can make on this machine. So for example, if a customer came along and bought £9.99 of items, it would go into a category and they would press a subtotal. Now on this machine there's three methods of payment. You've got cash, which is shown here, you've got cheque, and you've got card. So if they pay by card, because you don't normally add money onto the card, the payment or the amount taken through the card machine will be £9.99. So you simply press the card button. The cheque is used for obviously the more old-fashioned bank cheques, which most people don't use. So if you wanted to, you can actually use this also as a card button, and that could be Visa and that could be MasterCard if you wanted to split it up. But again, you don't have to use it; it's entirely up to yourself. And the cash button at the bottom is, as it explains, is for cash sales, and this also gives the ability to be able to work out the customer's change. So if they give you a £20 note, you can put in £20 and press the cash button, and it displays the amount of change given as £10 and 1p. If I repeat that sale, and then this time they pay by card, if it's only one item, I can press a subtotal or not. Subtotal is £9.99, press the card, drawer opens to allow you to put the slip into the machine, and the sale has been linked to department to £9.99 and also as a card payment, and this is shown on the receipts here. This is a upgraded model 4, 5 and 6 machine, so therefore has the alphanumeric displays on it. Here you can see on the receipt we've got cash taken here, and on the bottom receipt here you've got the card taken here, and that's the different methods of payment shown here. Thanks for watching our video.